Ditch the dialer and the manual grind because today, we're diving headfirst into automating your outbound phone calls with the power of AI. Are you or your team drowning in manual phone calls, struggling to reach leads and follow up with customers? This tutorial shows you how to leverage AI to handle those tedious tasks, bringing efficiency and personalization to your outreach. Step 1 is choosing your AI call platform, where you'll set up your virtual AI agent. These platforms provide the engine that powers your automated calls. They offer features to customize your caller ID, manage call schedules, and track key performance indicators. Next, you'll configure your AI agent's voice. You can usually choose from a variety of preset voices that sound natural and friendly. Personalization is key. Customize the agent's tone to match your brand. Build your script, making sure it captures attention without being too robotic. Use variables. Customize greetings with the recipient's name and include details relevant to their interests. This will make each call feel less automated. Think about initial greeting, offer, and even a polite closing. Finally, track your results. Most platforms provide dashboards detailing call numbers, answer rates, and even lead generation. Analyze your data to fine-tune your scripts. Improving your call strategy over time. You can iterate on your scripts until you get optimal performance.